Hi, today we're going to continue working on subtraction. We're working in our math book on lesson 4-2, starts on page 237. And today we're actually going to be using 10 frames to help us subtract instead of the number lines that we were using yesterday. So looking on page 237, says, how can thinking about 10 help you find the answer to the subtraction fact 13 take away 7? So what I'm going to do is down here at the bottom, I'm going to copy 13 take away 7. And I'm going to draw 13 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now I'm going to take away 7 of them. So I'm going to cross off 7 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now we're down to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7. So now how many dots are left? Well, we know in a 10 frame that one row has 5 and one more is 6. So we have 6 dots left. 13 take away 7 equals 6. All right, let's look on page 236. Up at the top it says you can make 10 to help you subtract. So 12 take away 5. We start with 12. Then we subtract these 2 to get to 10. And then we subtract 3 more because 2 plus 3 equals 5. We had to get to that 5 that we were taking away. So we start by taking away these 2, and then we take away 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many are left? 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. All right, so let's look and see down here on the 10 frames. 16 take away 7. We start with 16. Here's our 10, and here's 6 more. We cross off 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll get us down to the 10, and 1 more. So our steps are 16 take away 6 gets us to the 10, and then 1 more would be that 7. And what's left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 16 take away 7 is 9. All right, number 2, we start with 13. And they want us to get down to 10 first. So we're going to cross off 1, 2, 3 to get down to the 10 frame. That was 3. We need to cross off all the way to 8. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many of these did we cross off? 5. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 take away 8 equals 5. All right. It says, make 10 to subtract. Complete each subtraction fact. So go ahead and pause, do the problems on page 239, and then we'll come back and check. All right, number 3 says 12 take away 4. So they have 12. I'm going to cross off 4. I start by crossing these 2 off, which get me to the 10, and then that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've crossed off 4. How many are left? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 take away 4 is 8. Number 4, we start with 14. Here's 10 and 4 more is 14. Take away 6. So we're going to finish this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to start over here. 5, 6. So how many are left? Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 take away 6 is 8. Number 5, we start with 16. So here's 10, here's 15, and 1 more is 16. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Now they want us to take 9 off, so we're going to start with these first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we look to see how many are left. 5, 6, 7. So 16 take away 9 is 7. Number 6, we start with 10 up here, 7 down here, so this is 17. And they want us to take 8 off. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now how many are left? We have 5 in this row, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 17 minus 8 is 9. Number 7, we start with 15. Here's our 10 and 5 more for 15. And we take off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many are left? 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 take away 7 is 8. Number 8 starts with 14. Here's our 10 and 4 more for 14. And they want us to take off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 5. So 14 take away 9 equals 5. Now it says draw counters in the 10 frames to show your work. Show how you can make 10 to find 13 take away 6. So we have to start by making 13. So we're going to fill this 10 frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to keep going over on this one. 11, 12, 13. So there's my 13 dots. And now I'm going to cross off 6. So I start over here. 1, 2, 3. And then I work on this one. 4, 5, 6. And then how many are left on this first 10 frame? 5, 6, 7. So 13 take away 6 equals 7. All right. And let's go ahead and do this one more page for today. Number 10, Kyle bakes 12 muffins. His friends eat 6 muffins. How many muffins are left? Make 10 to subtract. So here's our 10, and 2 more make the number 12. So we're going to cross off 1, 2, gets us to the 10. Then we keep going, so we want to get to 6, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've crossed off a total of 6 muffins. How many are left? So from here, we have to cross off 4 more. That gives us our 6. And now there's 5, 6 left. So there are 6 muffins left over. Zach makes 10 to solve 12 take away 5 by changing the problem to 12 minus 2 minus 3. How does Zach make 10? Well, the 12 take away 2 is going to get us down to 10. Because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one 10 frame. And then 2 more for 11 and 12. So if we get rid of those 2, we're down to 10. Then he's going to take away the 3 more because 2 and 3 would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he's left with 7. So 10 take away 3 equals 7. Number 12. Match the pair of 10 frames with the correct pair of equations that show how to solve making 10. So let's start by looking to see how many we have here. We have 10 and 5 more is 15. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this one starts with 18. Then we have to get rid of these, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we're going to subtract 8. That's going to get us to the 10. And then we're going to take that 10 and cross off 1 more. That's going to equal 9. So which one of these is correct? 18 take away 8 equals 10. Yes. Then 10 take away 1 equals 9. So this one is correct. All right, let's look at this one. We start with 10 and then 2 more, 11, 12. So we start with 12. First thing we do is cross off 2 to get to the 10 frame. That's going to give us 10. Then we go to 10 and we have to take off 2 more. And that's going to give us 8. So 12 take away 2 equals 10. Yes, we had to cross off those 2. Then we had the 10 and we crossed off 2 more for the 8. So that is the correct answer for that one. All right, we are done for today. Have a great afternoon and send pictures to your teacher.